All right, welcome back, everybody. Welcome to some rainy relief across a lot of the state. The rain, light rain and some drizzle has come to an end around Helena for the time being, but just look at the low clouds and the humidity way on up there. Temperature only of 52. That's our high temperature for the day. Look at the record high of 100 all the way back in 2001. Possible that there were record cold high temperatures here this afternoon. I'm sure a lot of you can agree to that. Jacket on weather, 47 degrees right now in Great Falls. Look at the record low temperature for the day of 40, set back in 1997. So again, high temperatures in the upper 40s for some areas, likely setting record cold afternoon high temperatures here for a lot of the state. 40s, 50s, couple spots in the 60s, but even some of that colder air is now sweeping all the way through eastern Montana. And sweeping through a lot of the state as well, we've got clean air, good air quality for a change. Hasn't been this nice in quite a while. West Yellowstone still looking at unhealthy air quality, and there is an air quality alert down there for Yellowstone up there around Island Park into Idaho and Gallatin County as well. But Bozeman's air quality not too bad here, and the lake wind advisory for Fort Peck Reservoir that has just been allowed to expire. Let's move around the state, take a look at some of the rainfall that has been occurring over the fires. Looks like the radar imagery just drops out right there, but temperatures in the big belts today were in the 30s for highs, and we had significant rain. The big belts, the little belts, the Harris Mountain fire, the Balsinger fire, all at least a half-inch of rain on those fires with the cold temperatures. Hey, how about the Pine Grove fire? This one up into the Little Rockies. This one exploded to 17,000 acres. Well, now we're looking at some solid rain coming down across the entire area. Radar having a little problem again, and even the fires in western Montana. We've had some rain over the last 24 to 36 hours, and nice solid rain with even severe thunderstorms and flooding all the way down through the Central Rockies. This is a very beneficial storm for a lot of folks. Really dark out there last night and also today because of clouds, but also still some thick smoke being drawn up at least into the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere over Montana. Our surface air quality is pretty good, and a lot of the fires here in the state not emitting smoke, if any at all. Here, that's going to help the air quality as well. So some rain will be shifting into more central and eastern Montana through the overnight tonight and for the next couple of days. So I know some people out in the eastern part of the state really have not seen much in the way of rain. Well, it's coming. Also maybe a little sunshine here right off of the Rocky Mountain front. Might be tough to get some of that sun into Great Falls and Helena tomorrow. I'm thinking more of a mostly cloudy day, but look at that through the afternoon and the evening, rain, and then another disturbance comes down here, adding more moisture, some showers and thunderstorms Thursday evening, Thursday night, and even into Friday morning. Look at all of this rain into the eastern part of the state. So much of Montana seeing really just a significant rainfall. For tonight, another cool night, areas of fog and more steady precipitation in the north central and central part of the state here. Temperatures in the mountains again likely dropping down into the middle and upper 30s for tomorrow. Showers, better chance just south and east of Helena for most of the day and Great Falls, but there will be a little disturbance that comes down off the divide through the afternoon and the evening. For Friday, showers, clouds, cool temperatures once again, 60s to about 70. Saturday, we're still dealing with some wet weather here. If you're wanting some warmth and maybe a nice weekend day, looks like a little bit better here on Sunday. It will be windy, but I'm not too concerned with the fire danger after all of this accumulated precipitation and cool air. So we'll be up to 78 on Sunday after a few more days of some moisture. Isolated storm on Monday, 83 next Wednesday, and for Great Falls, staying cool into the weekend.